All right, welcome back to another one, folks. So the folks over at Zetaza, they claim that their fingerprint readers, the fingerprint reader will work with this tempered glass here, because I do have their screen protector on here. If you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that out. It works perfectly fine. Touch sensitivity is great, and so that should work. But they also sent over a beautiful case, a nice case, and we're gonna put that on in a second. But first, we're gonna see what their screen protector is about. So this one is just a regular plastic screen protector that they have. This is their tempered glass, and it says fingerprint compatible. So we shall see. So let's put this here. You get the same things in here. You also get that same setup for the back of the rear camera, and you get a guard in here, which I like. I like when companies include guards, and you get 3 screen protectors. Now that's beast mode right there. I really like that. I'm happy that they included that. And here's the guard. So they're labeled top and bottom. It says Pixel on the bottom, top on the there. So let's get this open here. And let's get this started for you. Let's get a wet wipe out. And we got a dust removal tool. They got a little half a squeegee, but I'm going to use the big squeegee that they included with the other kit. Let's get the dust removal stickers out of here. And then boom, bam, boom, bam. Here we are. You get these items in the package here. So let's go ahead and get the Pixel 6, their other screen protector off. Now I'm quick to do this because they gave me a 3-pack. They gave me a 3-pack, and I think that's the way it should be. So let's go ahead. I'm going to leave the phone turned on so I don't have to waste time rebooting and things like that, but it'll be fine. So we're going to go ahead and clean this off. This is what you would do in your regular routine of buying and installing your brand new tempered glass from Zetaza. All right, it's trolling me. So let's just get it cleaned up with the wet wipey. All right. Now you can use theirs, but I'm going to use mine. I like my microfiber cloth. I think everybody has a microfiber cloth at this point. Yes, I think we do. I'm going to put it in here, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the dust removal tool, or stickers, I should say. And then we're going to try on that lovely case. Oh. All right, I think I got all the dirt off. Now, here comes the part that we all love, the tempered glass that actually works. I've tried Whitestone Dome, I've tried a bunch of different tempered glass, and none of them work. So this time, they say theirs will work. So we shall see. One press down in the center here. Let's just get that. Some of these frames, they don't work very well. But let's go ahead and push out these bubbles. Push them right to that camera hole. I can't wait to try on that leather case they got in the box there. And remember, when I'm setting these up, I'm not even redoing my fingerprint reader, or my fingerprints in the phone, because I want to see. I've set up those fingerprints so many times, folks. It's annoying. Now, anytime you have bubbles in a glass or a screen protector, give it 24 hours or so, folks, and they will come off. Now, this is with no setup. Guess I'm gonna have to set it up. So let's get it. Let's check it out. Let's go into settings here. Touch sensitivity is good. So let's go into the secure the bio, screen lock, fingerprints. Let's get it on, and let's add another. Let's see. Let's see if theirs works. I'm gonna go in and delete the other ones too, just so you know, because I want to have just theirs set up without, you know what I'm saying, doing it with the fingerprint reader with theirs in there. So let's see how this works. All right, let's get these sides. I hope it works. I'm literally going to go back in there and delete the fingerprints that I had in there. All right, so done. I'll set up another one too. So that's number 2. So let's go ahead and delete 4 and 2, 4 and 1. Let's see if it works. I might just have the worst time with these fingerprint readers. I'm telling you, folks. This screen protector doesn't work with it either. Oh, there we go. Spoke too soon. All right, so it's partially, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if it can't be my phone because I've had this problem with no matter what I used. So on to the next. This fingerprint reader on this one, not so much, not so great. Doesn't really work well at all, just like all the other ones. But what we do have that's gonna work great is this beautiful faux leather case. Let's see how much this thing costs. $7, definitely faux leather. Feels good, looks good. And with the seafoam, beast mode. Okay, so on the other side right here, you got the hard plastic. This is faux leather for sure. This is definitely just for looks. And it can definitely protect you. Now that's beautiful right there. I wish it would have been covered up here and covered down here. But this is absolutely just, I like it. Oh my goodness, I like it. I like that it kind of comes up and slopes up into the camera bump right there. I think that's pretty nice. This is kind of a, I'm glad they sent this too, because I'll try again with the tempered glass later, but yeah, I don't want to prolong this video. It could be just my phone is a horrible Pixel 6 that I bought from Google. It could just be that the fingerprint reader is just bad on mine, but I like how this kind of slopes up. It is kind of like a faux leather, and let's check out, hold on a second. Let's check this out. Trying to find my wireless charger. Let's see, where's my wireless charger? Here we go. All right. Wireless charger on deck. Let's see if this is an old wireless charger, folks. Boom, wireless charges right away. Look at that. Started charging right away. So that works great. And I didn't expect that it wouldn't work. But yeah, the fingerprint reader with the glass on here, not so much. I'll probably put one of the other clear ones back on, but this is a beautiful looking case. And I appreciate them send this combo over. And I'll leave links down below so you can grab yours. $7 for this. Yeah, it's faux leather, but it basically plastic, but it looks fantastic, folks. And it feels good too. Feels like leather. See you in the next one. Take care.